Greetings, road warriors! Welcome back to the Porter's RV Sales YouTube channel, here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where luxury meets the open road. Today, we are bringing you a coach that represents an incredible opportunity in the pre-owned luxury market. This is the 2015 Newmar Ventana 4369. If you know Newmar, you know that the Ventana is where world-class engineering meets high-end residential luxury. But what makes this specific 43-foot coach an absolute home run is the odometer. This motorhome only has 25,000 original miles. Finding a tag axle Newmar that has been preserved like a time capsule with mileage this low is incredibly rare. It features 3 enormous slide-outs that completely transform the interior into a sprawling estate once you arrive at your destination. Take a look at this exterior presence. This coach is coated in Newmar's stunning Castile full-body paint graphics package. The beautiful blend of premium blacks, silvers, and rich earth tones gives the rig a timeless, commanding look on the highway. Because it features Newmar's famous multi-stage automotive-grade paint process, it holds a deep, glass-like, clear coat shine that cheap vinyl graphics simply cannot touch. There are no peeling stickers or fading lines to worry about here. This finish is built to last for decades. For outdoor living, you are exceptionally well equipped. You have a premium power patio awning and a dedicated power door awning that create a massive shaded oasis for your campsite. You also have protective slide topper awnings installed over all 3 slides to keep debris, leaves, and rainwater away from your mechanical seals. Throughout this view, notice the polished aluminum wheels and the sleek frameless windows that add to the high-end look while providing superior climate insulation. From the integrated side view cameras to the massive one-piece windshield, every single line reflects the premium craftsmanship Newmar is famous for. Around the back, you'll find a heavy-duty trailer hitch, built to tow a full-size vehicle or a heavy trailer with absolute ease. We are going to finish up our exterior view and then move straight down to open up the storage bays so we can check out the mechanical foundation that makes this Ventana such a legendary performer. Let's move down to the basement compartments, because the mechanical foundation of this Newmar is where the real engineering shines. We are sitting on a heavy-duty Freightliner XCR raised rail tag axle chassis. Having that extra set of wheels at the back provides incredible weight distribution, maximum braking power, and unmatched stability on the highway, completely eliminating coach sway. Of course, this coach features Newmar's legendary comfort steer system, which automatically counteracts crosswinds and road ruts, drastically reducing driver fatigue. With full air ride suspension and full air brakes, this coach delivers a ride that is smooth as silk. Powering your journey is the muscular Cummins ISL diesel engine, producing 400 horsepower and a staggering 1,250 foot-pounds of torque, paired with the heavy-duty Allison 3000 6-speed automatic transmission with an electronic shifter. This powertrain is the absolute gold standard for performance. When we open up the storage doors, you'll see the massive advantage of that raised rail design. Full pass-through basement storage compartments with heavy-duty slide-out storage trays included for effortless access to your heavy gear from either side. Right here in the sidewall is your exterior entertainment center featuring a 32-inch Sony TV and soundbar, perfect for tailgating. Because this is a premium coach, the utility systems are top tier. We have the premium Oasis hydronic heating system, providing unlimited hot water and quiet, radiant furnace heat throughout the cabin. For power, we have a large Onan 8.0 kilowatt quiet diesel generator with only 669 hours of use. You'll also find a 50-amp electrical service on a power cord reel, a Magnum inverter charger, and handy battery disconnects. Campground setup is completely effortless thanks to the 4-point automatic hydraulic relentless jacks with a simple touchpad control right by the driver's seat. To keep you safe on the road, you have a full rear view and side view camera system with an in-dash monitor. Let's head inside and see how this incredible modern space management translates to luxury in the cabin. Step up into the Ventana and the luxury is immediately apparent. The 4369 floor plan is highly sought after because it utilizes its 3 enormous slides to create a completely open residential environment. You'll notice the gorgeous ceramic tile flooring that runs throughout the entire coach, giving it a sleek, high-end residential look that is incredibly easy to clean. The detailed woodwork, premium crown molding, and high-end fixtures are classic Newmar luxury. This coach is exceptionally clean and reflects that 25,000-mile care perfectly. It features an open flow that connects the living salon and the kitchen beautifully, making it an incredibly welcoming environment from the second you step through the door. In the heart of the kitchen area, we have a massive stainless steel residential refrigerator and freezer, ensuring you can stock up on groceries for any long-distance trip. Right adjacent is your elegant table dinette. Complete with 4 chairs and a large panoramic window, it provides a scenic residential space for family meals or a morning cup of coffee. The front living room is designed for grand-scale comfort and relaxation. On one side, we have a large pull-out sleeper sofa, and directly across the aisle is a comfortable jackknife sleeper sofa, allowing this coach to comfortably sleep up to 6 people. Looking forward into the cockpit, you'll notice a 32-inch Sony TV mounted above the seats, so no one misses the action while the coach is in social mode. And look at the primary entertainment hub. You have a massive 50-inch Sony TV mounted on a power televator lift that smoothly rises out of the cabinetry behind the sofa. The captain's chairs swivel around completely to join the lounge, creating a spectacular grand salon for hosting friends. The kitchen is an absolute chef's dream on the road. You have a high-end gas stovetop, a microwave convection oven, and a large residential sink and faucet. Surrounded by beautiful countertops and solid wood cabinetry, this galley offers an extendable countertop section for even more prep space, along with deep drawers and a large pantry storage closet to keep everything organized. Tucked just past the kitchen is the private half bathroom. This is an incredible convenience feature for your guests, ensuring they have their own dedicated toilet, sink, vanity, and power vent fan during the day. This layout keeps your master suite entirely private at the back of the coach, while your guests have full facilities without ever stepping into your bedroom. The hallway itself highlights the beautiful residential flow of this layout. Welcome to the Master Retreat. The 4369 features a massive king bed situated in its own slide-out, providing the absolute pinnacle of sleeping comfort on the road. This room is a peaceful sanctuary packed with features. You have your own dedicated 32-inch TV back here, along with a spacious wardrobe closet and a large bank of built-in drawers for all your travel attire and gear. As we move into the spectacular master bathroom at the very rear of the coach, the space is jaw-dropping. Right at the entry, tucked neatly away in a vented closet, we have a premium stackable washer and dryer system. Having separate machines instead of a combo unit is a huge luxury, allowing you to wash and dry simultaneously while you enjoy your vacation, keeping you completely self-sufficient. Prepare to be absolutely blown away by this full-width master bathroom. This layout offers an incredible amount of residential space. Look at this setup. You have a gorgeous double sink and vanity. This provides an incredible amount of extra counter space and storage for your toiletries, making it effortless for 2 people to get ready at the same time without bumping elbows. For your wardrobe, you have massive closets that span the back wall, giving you tons of hanging space and shelf storage for all seasons. You also have a private toilet, a high-volume power vent fan, and the built-in Dirt Devil central vacuum system connection nearby. The true centerpiece of this master bath is the huge tile shower enclosure, with solid glass doors and a built-in skylight that adds a beautiful amount of natural light, and gives you that extra bit of headroom you want. Every fixture in here reflects Newmar's flagship construction. It is a bright, clean, and incredibly private space that perfectly replicates a luxury home. Prepare to be absolutely blown away by this full-width master bathroom. This layout offers an incredible amount of residential space. Look at this setup. You have a gorgeous double sink and vanity. This provides an incredible amount of extra counter space and storage for your toiletries, making it effortless for two people to get ready at the same time without bumping elbows. For your wardrobe, you have massive closets that span the back wall, giving you tons of hanging space and shelf storage for all seasons. You also have a private toilet, a high-volume power vent fan, and the built-in Dirt Devil central vacuum system connection nearby. The true centerpiece of this master bath is the huge tile shower enclosure, with solid glass doors and a built-in skylight that adds a beautiful amount of natural light and gives you that extra bit of headroom you want. Every fixture in here reflects Newmar's flagship construction. It is a bright, clean, and incredibly private space that perfectly replicates a luxury home. If you want to see this coach in person, give us a call at 864-2609-276 or email us at sales@portersrvsales.com. Be sure to visit us online at www.portersrvsales.com to see the full spec sheet. And as always, happy camping!